In this video, you will learn how to get a Pocket Option API key, create and verify your Pocket Option account, sign up for Pocket Options account, complete any verification steps or email verifications so your API access is allowed. Log into your Pocket Option dashboard, sign into your web dashboard, not the mobile app, where advanced account settings or tools are available. Open the API developer section, look for the menu named API or developer or integration or similar inside your account settings or profile area. Create a new API credential, choose create API key, give it a description name and select a scope or permission required, such as read, trade or withdraw, allowing and avoiding enabling withdrawals unless absolutely necessary. Copy the stored API key securely. When the key is shown, copy it immediately and save it to your secure place, such as your password manager or your environment variable. Most platforms only show the key once, so make sure to write it down. Test the key and apply for security for best practices. Test the key with a small or safe request. Restrict its IP or set expirations if supported. Never hard-code it in public places. And rotate the key regularly. Now you know how to get a Pocket Option API key. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.